Hi everyone, this is just a video on words. So, very simply, a verb is a doing word. Verbs can either be dynamic or stative verbs. A dynamic verb is a physical action, so it's something that you can see someone physically doing. So, running, pointing, punching, writing, it's an action that you can see happening. Whereas a stative verb is a state of being or a mental action, so it's more like an idea, something that's not physical. So hoping, loving, wanting, and dreaming. You can't physically see someone do that. Um, every verb has an infinitive form. This is it. This is the verb in its most simple form, coupled with to. So to run, to point, and you can do this with any verb. So to jump, to wish, to dream, anything like that. Just add to. Um, a few examples: you write neatly in your notebook. In this sentence, the verb would be write, and because you can physically see someone writing, that makes it a dynamic verb. The next one, she wanted a dog for her birthday. So in this sentence, the verb is wanted. She wanted a dog for her birthday. But because you can't physically see someone wanting something, this one is a stative verb. The last example, I reached under the sofa for my missing sock. The verb here is reached, and because that's a physical action, that is a dynamic verb as well. I hope that makes sense.